Alright, let's talk about a gardening mystery that's been puzzling folks all summer. Why do your petunias suddenly go from flower power superheroes to sad, leggy plants? I mean, you planted them with such hope, and now they're just sighing in the breeze. But here's the thing, this isn't the end of the story. It's actually a chance to dig deeper into how plants communicate, what they're really asking for, and how we can turn this into a masterclass in plant psychology. Let me break it down. You know how sometimes you'll water your plants religiously, but they still wilt? It's not just about the water, it's about the quality of the care. Petunias are like those friends who need constant encouragement. They're not just asking for sun, they're begging for it. But here's where it gets interesting. Too much sun can be a trap. Imagine your petunias sweating under a scorching sky, their leaves curling up like they're saying, I need a break. The trick is to balance their needs like a tightrope walker, give them enough light to fuel their blooms, but shield them from becoming sunburnt. It's a dance between nature and nurture, and understanding that rhythm is half the battle. Now, let's talk about feeding. Petunias are the ultimate foodies of the plant world. They're not satisfied with just soil, they crave nutrients like a Michelin-starred chef. But here's a revelation, overfeeding can be as bad as underfeeding. It's like giving your petunias a sugar rush. They might bloom like crazy for a week, but then crash harder. The University of Minnesota's advice to feed every 2 weeks sounds scientific, but think of it as a plant spa day. You're not just adding fertilizer, you're giving them a boost to keep up with their relentless blooming. And if you're planting them in the ground, that 3-week schedule. It's like a slow burn, steady, sustainable, and way less stressful for the roots. Then there's deadheading. Oh, the drama of spent blooms. I've seen so many gardeners ignore this step, thinking, why bother? They'll just grow new flowers anyway. But here's the thing, those seed pods are like little energy vampires. They're siphoning the plant's resources away from creating new blooms. Removing them is like giving your petunias a pep talk, hey, focus on the present. Don't waste energy on the past. And for those self-cleaning hybrids. They're like the minimalist version of petunias. No need for human intervention, but honestly, even they might appreciate a little help now and then. It's not about control, it's about collaboration. And let's not forget the legginess. Those stretched out stems aren't just unsightly, they're a cry for help. When petunias get leggy, it's like they're saying, I'm trying to reach the light, but I'm not getting enough. Trimming them back isn't just a cosmetic fix, it's a reset button. You're telling them, let's start fresh. Let's build a stronger, fuller structure. Within weeks, they'll respond with a burst of growth that's almost poetic. It's a reminder that plants, like people, thrive when they're given the chance to rebuild. But here's what really fascinates me, the diversity of petunias. From the tiny millifloras to the sprawling spreading varieties, they're like a microcosm of plant evolution. Each type has its own personality, its own way of interacting with the world. And yet, they all share this common thread, their need for attention, care, and a little bit of love. So next time you look at your petunias, don't just see flowers. See a story of resilience, a dialogue between you and nature, and a chance to learn how to be a better gardener. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about saving your plants, it's about understanding the delicate, beautiful relationship we have with the living world around us.